squeeze the sides up so it'll help. I'm going under these bolts. Okay, see how easy it went in? Now once the shield is on, what you want to make sure is that you squeeze this part in or onto the manifold. Squeeze it as much as you can. And down here. Also, with your thumbs, if you can, reach here in the car, squeeze this part down. Here and right over here. Okay. Now once you've done that, it's not gonna go anywhere. Okay. But it's on there. And no, will not rattle. This is not metal. This is soft aluminum. Same heat shielding material that BMW uses for the undercarriage. Okay. Now, if you still feel like you want to have it more secure, to say, I provide the exhaust straps, and you can use them however you want. You can go around the neck of the turbo like this and secure it. I've seen guys that done this over the top and it's worked for them. But also what I'm gonna start doing by suggestion of one of the guys that got the kit is making these little slits right here. So you can use them to secure your turbo like this. You just put the strap and they'll go around the neck of the turbo, around the back, and you come around this side right there and secure it just like this. That's an option. Okay, we'll just go ahead and I'll be looking something like this. Alright. Again, don't need them. It's gonna be secured. It's not gonna go anywhere. Now, as far as the front turbo, what you wanna do is, if you want to, and the turbos are on the car, you can cut this a little shorter and it'll help you fit it in between the outlet pipe and the neck of the turbo, which is where it gets kind of tricky. But make sure that you slide this part under the shielding that it has for the solenoids, just a bit, just to get it started, and then work this part in between the outlet pipe and the turbo and just work it in. It's not going to be easy. It'll be easier if you remove the outlet pipe, but if you don't, it can be done. It just needs to be massaged a bit more. You have the shield may need to be bent a little bit here and there, but again, it's soft aluminum, so once it's on there, all you gotta do is reshape it with your hands. And that's not gonna go anywhere because the pipe itself from the outlet is gonna be sitting right here, and it's gonna basically keep it from going anywhere anyways. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and send them out to me. Appreciate everybody that has already bought the kits. I mean, I've sent kits out to Australia, Canada. Shipping out there has been crazy, but I'll work with you as far as the shipping price. And again, it's gonna be free shipping for anyone in the US. All right, so again, thanks. Hope this helps. And happy boosting, brothers.